Hello everyone, I'm back and you can see vManage is up, vBond is up and the vSmart is up. Now we're gonna work to bring up the CSRs. So if we go on a configuration on devices, as you can see we don't have nothing here for the 1H list. When I create the PNP, I have downloaded and I specified how many devices I want and I downloaded the serial file. So once it's downloaded, so you go to upload 1H list, validate, update, uploaded VH list and send to controllers. So you browse what it is. So go here and I have it here and upload. Okay, and I have 16 in total. So it's sending the information to the controllers. So if you can go to configuration devices, and now you can see I have 8 CSR and I have 8 VH cloud or VH device. Okay, so we're gonna take 2 of them to do a configuration and to bring up into the vManage. So let me bring this down. So we're done. vManage, vSmart, and the vBond is done. So now we're gonna start working on here onward. So I have a template already. Admin Cisco enable class. So now interface, description. Step one. Let's go IP 10.1.1.254. 255. Now shut. And now if I do a ping, let me see if I can reach out to the controllers under DVPN 0. Yeah, vManage, vSmart, and vBond. Okay, that's perfect. So that part is done. Now I'm gonna do from here to the MPLS. Let's go exit. Let's go interface, description, one link to MPLS. So let's go. IP is gonna be 172.16.1.1. No shot. And I'm gonna give a default route. IP route 172.16.1.2. Do right. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the MPLS. To border router 172.16.1.2. No shot. So if I try to reach out from the MPLS to the controllers, the ping will fail. .10. The reason why is because I need to give a default route as well, even though they are directly connected. 172.16.1.1. So now if I do a ping, it works. vManage, vSmart, and vBond. I have reachability from the MPLS all the way to our VPN 0 controllers on VPN 0. Okay, so now I will do from here to here. So interface so 1 2 3 it's down 1 0 1 0 2. Okay. So I'm gonna copy. So I'm gonna do 200. It's gonna do IP. Okay. So I have this one is connected to the border router, and this one is connected to the CSR. So this is done. So now let us jump to the CSR. So let me see if I can duplicate this. Make it 200. Okay. CSRs are booted. So would you like no, yes, no, yes. So let's just wait to boot. As you can see, it's booting now autonomous mode. So what I'm gonna do is just copy that, trying to be as quick as possible. Enable. Confirm. Enable. So I just need to change to control mode, and that will take a while. So what I'm gonna do, I will stop the video and I'll be back once the devices are loaded. Yeah, I'm back. As you can see, the router operating mode is now a control managed. It's the same here, and that will boot in a minute. Let me just clear up this again and this again. So as you can see, it's the same information. just clean up. Okay, I'll leave this one. I'll start with this one here. So it's gonna enable. So I also have a bootstrap for that, but for some reason for the CAGs you are not able to do actually copy and paste. So I have to do, you can do it actually, but I have to do one by one line at a time. So what I'm gonna do is, to make it quicker, so I'm gonna do 10 this one and go on the system, and here I'll do 10.10.10.10 on the side, ID also 10, organization name. You have to tell who is the VBond so they'll be able to register under the vmanage. It's got tunnel 1 because we're using the gigabit Ethernet 1, so we use tunnel 1 just to make uniform. If it's gigabit Ethernet 0, so use tunnel 0, you know, just to make it simple and less complicated. So no shut, do exit, and then now we go. So I'll do the description first. Doesn't really make any difference, to be honest. So here is 100 because it's 1. Enter. Now shut down. Just go as it, and we're gonna go SD-WAN mode. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the color. It's not really necessary here. So allow all, allow net, allow SSH, and exit, and just give a default route to our MPLS 100. Yep. So you do commit. As I said, it's a little bit slow. Just do commit check, make sure everything validation complete. So you do just commit. And you can just end it. So now let us see if we can reach from here all the way here through VPN 0. So it's the ping. Okay. Yep. vSmart. Yep. And vBond. Yep. That's perfect. So now let us do the second one, so we can do 2 in one go. So let us 20, 200, 200. Okay, so this one is okay now. Our system. The description is up to you. I just like to give description on my devices. Almost there, almost there. No, right. Yep. Commit. And that's it. So now let's do the same. Yep, we manage, we smart, and vPoint. So from vmanage, can we ping 101.1.2? I do rapid, I do counter 5, and a VPN 0. Yep, we can. So can we ping 200? Yes, we can. So there is full reachability from here all the way here, and from here all the way here and here. So now the next step is getting the CS. So I'll do one by one to request. So if there is so many things in here, so if we request the root CA to be installed, that will give us an error. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into this command here. I'll do for this one first, and I'm gonna copy this, and now from the vmanage, go to vshell and do a cut for the root CA pin. So what I'm gonna do is copy that, enter, and close bracket, enter, and exit. So do the same here, copy that, and I'm just copy from here, not from here, it's gonna give me an error. So let me copy again from here, go here, and close bracket and exit. So let me clear up, so we can check if it's been on the boot flash. Yep, so we can do it there as well, so we can see here as well, spin cop into the boot flash. Okay, so we can do the same here as well here. Okay, so now the fun part is getting two devices. So I'm gonna have this one here and this one, so the first one and the last one of the CSR 1000. Okay, so click here and generate bootstrap configuration, click OK. All I need is just this information here, close it. Okay, so now that I have all this, I need to request the activation for that. So I have the command here, request platform software SD-WAN VH cloud activate. So this one is the old one, and it's pretty much the same as here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this, copy, space, and the chase number is this one here, and token is this one here. And enter. And I believe I missed one information that I see here. I need to request platform software of root cert install first before I do the request platform software, and it's scoping, and that should be alright. So I'm gonna go back here, so I'm gonna use this to request, and the request was successfully installed the root chain. And if I do have okay, so it's requesting, so successfully installed as well. So now I'm gonna grab the next one, that's this one, and I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna do request, chase number, copy, token, and enter. And I should be able to see, so you can see vManage admin here, and it's still doing everything on the background. We're gonna check this in a minute, and he is doing the same. So what we can do is check here. As you can see, for example, here the state certificate failed. Okay, I think it's up now. It's still, it's populate. Let me see, controllers, certificate. I can see there's two CHs in here. I can see two already here has been populated. Devices. So I'm gonna take that, take that, take that. Assign template. Site ID stay. Yeah, so you can see two of them already here. For some reason say certificate installed failed, but we can verify that. See if it shows anything. Certificate status is not installed yet, it's still loading. The root chain is installed. Yep, I can see it's up. So let's see this one here, if it's completed or not yet. Not yet. It's valid. Certificate. It's valid as well. So I have reachability. Let's see. Let's close. Still loading. Ah. Yeah, I have reachability from one to another. Just need to wait for the certificate. For some reason certificate failed. Let me just have a look and I'll be back, guys. Yeah, I can see. So you can see it's still VH up now. It's all good. Yeah, and that's it for the video. So anything, you can reach out to me on my YouTube channel. Um, any question, I'll be able to answer them. Thank you so much for watching.